Welcome back. I'll show you two super easy ways to set up Google Analytics 4, GA4, on your WordPress website. Whether you want to use the Google Sitekit plugin or manually add the tracking code, I've got you covered. Plus, stick around to the end for a bonus tip on adding GA4 via cPanel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tutorials. Let's dive in. The easiest way to add GA4 to WordPress is by using the Google Sitekit plugin. Here's how. Go to WordPress Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search for Google Sitekit, and install/activate it. Click Start Setup and sign in with your Google account. Grant necessary permissions. In Sitekit Dashboard, click Connect Service under Analytics. Select your GA4 property or create a new one. Go to Google Analytics and check real-time data to confirm tracking. That's it. Your GA4 is now tracking visitors via Sitekit. Or in manual setup, follow these steps. Go to Google Analytics Admin, Data Streams. Select your website stream and copy the measurement ID. Go to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers. Paste the GA4 Global Site Tag, GTAG.js, code in the header section. Check Google Analytics after 24-48 hours for data. Done! Your manual GA4 setup is complete. And that's it. Now you know 3 ways to add GA4 to WordPress. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply ASAP.